Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today's video, guys, we're going to be opening up two packages I just got in. They're my eBay knives that I just bought late last week. Can't wait to show y'all those. And also, guys, we're going to be toasting one side of a Bear & Son knife. I really don't like the way it looks. Plus, it has some yellow streaks in it. So we're going to toast those and sand it some and see how it turns out. Cannot wait to do that. Well, guys, let's get over here and open these packages. I want to thank each and every one of y'all for tuning in today, and I hope you enjoy the video. All right, guys, here's my latest eBay knives. We're going to open this one first. Look at that. I bought me another one of them orange ones. Can't get enough of it, guys. See, this one is a 2005. How about that? I didn't give but 69 bucks for it on eBay. Ain't that cool? But I just love that orange right there. It's called Pocket Worn Harvest Orange Case. I don't think this is the right box. It's just a plain box. Ain't nothing wrong with it though. So I'm gonna be putting it over there with my other one. I'll be showing you that and my Halloween knives in there. Ain't that cool? I love that bone right there. It's gonna go well with my Halloween knives and the other one I got over there. Ain't that cool? But that's one of them. Now let's open the other one. Guys, I've been cutting grass, weed eating, changing lawnmower blades. Tired. My son is coming in, that's why I ain't got much time today. Check this one out though. I've fallen for these things and I found one that I really love, guys, and I will be working on this thing. I'll be toasting it up. Look at that stag. I'm gonna sand this side down. I'm not gonna toast that. But look at there. I'm gonna sand that down. Check this blade out right here. It ain't bad. It's been used now, but I couldn't pass that stag up. I'll probably be toting this one here and putting my my Harvest Orange one in with my Halloween knives. But look at that. That's gonna toast up good. I cannot wait to sand on this thing and work on that. Ain't that beautiful, guys? That's some pretty stag on that side. It's been used now, but when I saw it, and it's I think it's a 2009, yeah. 2009. Had to get it, guys. Oh, it needs to be oiled. Needs to be clean. Look at that. So this will be in an upcoming video here real soon. But look at that stag, man. That's gonna be beautiful when I sand that down and sand that or put oil. Or I'm gonna sand it down first, then I'm gonna put oil in there and toast it. It's gonna look good. I see it, guys. I see it. That's the other one. But now for the fun part right here, guys. We're going to see how this turns out. We're just going to put a little oil in them crevices, the valleys I like to call them. Let that sit there for a minute or so. I really like this oil that Mr. Brian's knives sent me. You can control it. See, my hand is got to shake. This hand gets so weak when I weed eat now. It wants to shake. It gets real weak. But we're gonna let that sit in there and toast it up. I really like these. They're throwaway flames, and they don't last a real long, but they work good. It's a small flame, and you can control it real good. You can buy these at Dollar General. About almost four bucks a piece. Guys, I love that right there. And I love this orange. Looks just like a Halloween harvest orange, of course. Beautiful. Love it. 69 bucks, and I paid 70 for that one. Okay, we're kind of gonna dab it out, dab it away. Right now, I'm gonna use that blade. Alrighty. I know it looks bad right now. You wait till I sand that. The only thing bad about these is you gotta watch that flame. It don't die out right away if you hold it down a long time. Get some sandpaper, guys, and sand that down some. Love it. I'm gonna wrap up the blade and blue tape. I'm gonna wrap up the bolsters in blue tape too. I'm gonna hit that one more time. I like it. It's gonna look good. Really, guys, I think it looks better already as it is. You know what I mean? Better than what it was, but we're gonna sand that down and feather it in. It's gonna look good. First of all, we're gonna cover up these bolsters because ain't nothing wrong with the bolsters. We're gonna use, see, we're gonna start out with 1,000 here. First of all, let's get a napkin down here. We're just gonna feather it in. All right, I'm on number 3,000. I'm gonna quit there. And I'm gonna wipe it down and wax it and show you the results. All right, now guys, we're fixing to wax it. That looks pretty doggone good to me now. I love the way that stag, it darkened up. Look at this side. You know I gotta do this side. See, I just don't like the way they, looks yellow right there. So I'm gonna be sanding this side down. That's just smudge marks over here. You like that side? Or that side? That side? Or that side? You know I'm gonna be doing this side. Sure am. Looks good. I'm I cannot wait to do that right there. But this whole thing has got to be sanded down. Then I'll toast it, then feather it in like I did that right there. Love it, guys. I love this stuff, man. Can't get enough. Can't get enough. Guys, I can't help myself. Got to do this one. Okay, guys. Got it sanded down. Now we're going to put oil and divots right here. And while this is soaking into the bone, we're going to go over there and look at my... just couldn't help myself. And you'll see the finished product in tomorrow's video of the entire knife, because I want to carry this thing this weekend. Yeah, we're going to let that soak in, and we're going to go over here and look at the Halloween knives along with my Harvest Orange trappers. Okay guys, here they are. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up right here. There's that one I just got in right there. Ain't it beautiful? And there's the one I got from the world famous right here. That one is absolutely gorgeous because I love that bone right there. And you got this one here. That one's pretty too. That's a muskrat. But there is the Sodbuster Jr. Spider. And you got the Whittler right here. Beautiful, ain't it? And you got a 2025 one right here. I actually got two of those. I'm gonna be putting other one up under it because it says Happy Halloween. I'm not gonna open the blade. I'm just gonna flip it around and put it right under there. Move that down. Then you got that one right there. And that's the one that started it all. I got that from the world famous Michael Hale. I absolutely love that orange. Then you got this one here. Got that one from Vincent Lopresti. Got that one from Vincent Lopresti. I think I got that one from Vincent Lopresti. I can't remember. There it is right there, guys. Ain't they cool? But already got the Zach Brown Southern Grind knives traded. I'll show you one of them. I already got the two wrapped up in these boxes. Did have the box, but guys, this thing is a hoss. I don't know if you've ever held one like this or not, but it's absolutely a hoss of a knife. It is right there. It might be the serial number right there or the model number. I don't know. Look at there. Feels really good in the hand. You got jimping on the back. I think that's G10 handles or Micarta. I can't tell. I think it's G10. It's absolutely a gorgeous knife. But these will be going to Virginia, guys. I've got two knives coming in, and when they come in, I'm gonna do a video on the knives that come in, and I'll be sharing those. I already got them two small ones wrapped up. I might unwrap them and show y'all, but they're really good knives. I just don't, it's just not my thing. So but the guy that's getting them is a retired police officer. Appreciate your service, sir. And he has been carrying a folder for over 8 years, a Zach Brown folder. So that's why he wanted these knives, and he's sending me two amazing knives for these three. Good stuff, man. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. Wasn't much to it. Again, my son will be here in about an hour. That's why I've got to. Plus, I had to cut grass, weed eat, change my lawnmower blade. It was so wet this morning. I even cut that bottom field in there. I've been cutting grass all day, and but I had to get them lawnmower. I've been putting it off. Here's the difference in the mower blades. I really got the goodie out of these blades. I should be ashamed of myself, but just kept putting it off, but it was cutting fine. We wasn't letting it get that tall, and we were just cutting away, and finally I said, I've got to change these blades out. And I was shocked how short they were. Because they started to leave a patch. You had to go over some. I'm like, yep, I done got the goodie out of them. We got to change them, and that's what I did. But Guys, I absolutely love this stuff. I love fooling around and piddling with knives now. I love it. And I just want to thank y'all for tuning in today. I just love sharing it. I love sharing my passion because I absolutely love it. I really do. Love knives. I love the history of knives. I love to fool around, just piddle. You know, that's what I call it. Just piddling around with knives. So just a great way, guys, to just get away from everything. Forget the world. Just get in your own little zone and clean a knife, and you just are so, it's so therapeutic to me. I love it. And it just and just seeing it, how it turns out, and learning stuff every time you do one, and you know what not to do the next time, or maybe you need to try this the next time. You know, it never ends. It never ends, guys, and I hope it never does for me. But I just want to thank all y'all guys too for all the support. Appreciate all the views, the subscribers. Thank y'all so much. And guys, don't forget, tomorrow I'll show you the finished product of my new Russlock Stag. It's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna be beautiful. Cannot wait to get it done. Well, anyway, guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in today. I want to say God bless to each and every one of y'all. And until we meet again, guys, y'all be like a good night. Stay sharp.
Well, boys, me and Kevin up in here in the mountains of North Georgia on the swing, just swinging. What you think, Kevin?
Yes, sir. It's nice, it's comfortable, and can't wait to go shopping, man.
Kevin, tell them what we're gonna do. Tell them we've been working, we've been selling propane, we've been eating.
Yes, sir. We ate turkey sausage and egg and cheese this morning. Made us a nice sandwich, and we're about to go downtown to Helen to a couple of knife shops. We're gonna go to the Salty store. We also found some more outdoor type stores that we're gonna go to.
Y'all have a good day.